Look at this winding river system. To a stranded hiker, the Amazon rainforest looks like 2.1 million square miles of endless water and lush vegetation. It appears highly capable of sustaining human life. Survival scientists know the reality. This is the green desert. It is a hyper-competitive ecosystem where nearly every plant and animal has evolved specifically to wage chemical warfare against its predators. Field biologist Dr. Marcus Finch learned this the hard way. Deep in the Manu biosphere of Peru, a sudden flash flood completely destroyed his research raft, sweeping him miles down a raging tributary. He crawled ashore with nothing but a machete and the clothes on his back. He was entirely alone, staring down a 72-hour countdown against biological pathogens, toxic botany, and lethal dehydration. Getting out alive requires completely ignoring natural human instinct and treating survival as a rigorous mathematical and scientific equation. You can see the dark, slow-moving creek water in this image. It looks like an easy solution to a desperate problem. In 85% humidity, the human body cannot cool itself through sweat evaporation. The sweat simply sits on the skin. Within 4 hours of hacking through dense foliage, Marcus lost nearly 1.5 liters of fluid, triggering an overwhelming urge to drink directly from the river. This diagram shows the invisible microbiology of that tropical water. It is a breeding ground for Giardia parasites. If Marcus drinks this, the pathogens will compromise his gastrointestinal tract within hours, causing severe dysentery. The resulting fluid loss will accelerate his dehydration by 300%. He needs hydration, but it must be filtered by nature. He scans the canopy and locates the water vine, a woody plant that acts as a natural biological filter, delivering water completely free of parasites. Accessing it requires a precise mechanical technique. If he makes the mistake of cutting the bottom first, capillary action instantly pulls the water upward, trapping it. He has to make a high cut first. Doing this breaks the internal vacuum. Applying the basic physics of fluid dynamics, gravity drains the purified water freely down the vine, securing pure hydration while entirely bypassing a fatal biological infection. As the sun sets, the temperature drops slightly, and the threat shifts. Marcus is instantly swarmed by thousands of Anopheles and Aedes aegypti mosquitoes. A single bite from these vectors can introduce Plasmodium parasites to target his liver, or deliver the dengue virus, which literally shatters human blood platelets. The human instinct is to swat at them or try to tough it out. Marcus opts for natural chemistry. He searches the forest floor, finds a hard clay-like termite mound, cracks off a piece and sets it on fire. Termite nests contain highly concentrated organic compounds and tree resins. When burned, they emit a thick smoke. Look at how these pungent organic molecules physically attach to and disrupt the carbon dioxide receptors mosquitoes use to track human breath. Deploying this dense chemical cloaking field is the only mathematically viable way to survive the micropredators of the night. By hour 48, Marcus's liver has entirely depleted its glycogen reserves. His body is starving. In this severe caloric deficit, a tree heavy with bright red berries looks instinctively appetizing. The botany tells a different story. These berries contain cyanogenic glycosides. In this molecular breakdown, human stomach enzymes hydrolyze these compounds, releasing hydrogen cyanide gas directly into the bloodstream. The cyanide halts cellular respiration. The mitochondria simply stop producing ATP, suffocating his cells from the inside out. Marcus targets a visually repulsive but scientifically safe alternative. He breaks open a decaying palm tree to harvest Rainforest palmarum, fat, white palm grubs. Ounce for ounce, these larvae contain significantly more pure protein and essential fatty acids than a cut of beef. By overriding deep psychological disgust and following objective nutritional math, Marcus fuels his body with the safe lipids required to keep his cognitive functions sharp. By day 3, Marcus hears the drone of a search plane. But look at this aerial view of the canopy. It is 3 tiers deep and absorbs 95% of all sunlight. Beneath it, Marcus is completely invisible. Burning standard jungle leaves produces heavy, dark carbon smoke. From above, that dark smoke blends perfectly into the dark green forest. Marcus applies geometry and physics. He locates a massive fallen tree that has torn a natural geometric gap in the canopy, and he builds a base fire out of dry palm fronds to reach extreme temperatures. To trigger incomplete combustion, he caps the intense heat with damp, oil-rich eucalyptus and wild ginger leaves. The high moisture and oil content react with the heat, generating a brilliant white pillar of steam and smoke. Mathematically engineering this extreme visual contrast allows the white column to forcefully punch straight through the canopy gap into the sky, locking in his coordinates. Within hours, a Peruvian extraction team drops a line through the clearing, pulling an exhausted Marcus Finch out of the green abyss. You cannot survive this environment through brute force, stubbornness, or physical endurance. Survival is the art of scientific literacy. It is the ability to read the landscape and turn the strict laws of physics, chemistry, and biology in your favor when everything else is trying to tear you down.